Assalamualaikum students, my name is Numan Ahmed and today our topic is climate and climatic region of Pakistan. Let's see our first slide. Learning expectations, students, you should be able to differentiate between weather and climate, explain the factors that affect weather, describe the general types of climate, identify the instruments and units used to measure different weather conditions. Okay, what is weather? Weather is defined as the conditions of the atmospheric at the particular time and place. What is atmospheric? Atmosphere, the mixture of gases that surround the earth. Weather takes place in the chromosphere. Chromosphere is the layer we already talk about the earth in space, and it's a layer of in a spherical layer. Okay, what is climate? The climate of the given place is the average weather experience in that place over the period of time, and the climate is average weather of region or area over the period of time 35 years. Various elements in climate such as rainfall, temperature, humidity, air pressure, winds, clouds and sunshine. Okay, move on the further details. The factors that affect weather. So, although many factors combine influence weather, that four main ones are solar radiation, the amount of which changes with the Earth's tidal orbital distance from the sun, and latitude, temperature, air pressure, and the abundance of water. See this. This picture will help you the influence of weather conditions, oceans, atmosphere and space. See the space at the net solar short waves radiations, okay, and then the terrestrial long waves radiations. See the cloud and see the process of precipitations, wind, air, volcanic gases and particles, and the in the right side human activities and the snow and ice. Okay, the general types of climate. There are six main climatic regions of the world. This is the general knowledge. This and it's very important for you. The first is polar, coldest parts of the world, mountain, high latitude mountains, temperature areas with the moderate temperature, desert, hot temperature in the day and freezing at night, tropical, hot and humid areas with heavy rainfall. In the last, equatorial areas which are hot and humid throughout the year and receive violent thunderstorms there. Okay, and then in the last, how we count, how we measure our temperature, high speed, direction, air. So these are the instrument. First is anemometer. Anemometer, an instrument used to measure wind speed. Okay, it's little bit blur, so I'm saying once again, an instrument used to measure wind speed. Number two, thermometer. And thermometer used to measure temperature. We usually use in our home as well. Okay, hygrometer. Why we using? Let's see. An instrument used to measure humidity, the amount of water vapor in the air. Okay, once again I'm telling you, hygrometer, an instrument used to measure humidity, the amount of water vapor in the air. Number 4, wind van, an instrument used to show the direction of the wind, okay, from which side wind is breezing. Okay, barometer, an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure, high and low pressure. Barometer, we are measure the high and low pressure. Okay, and the last, rain gauge. an instrument used to measure the rain. We are measure the rain, how millimeter it's rain it's moving. Okay, thank you students.